Assalamu alaikum students. Hopefully all of you will be fine. So we are going to start our class. In previous class we discussed about the MS Word, and you have also practiced on MS Word different options. So I have two questions from you guys. The design resume of your own choice in MS Word. The second question is write importance of MS Word. So first you have to design a resume in MS Word, then you have to share me in a group. And the second question, write the importance of MS Word. You have to pause the video for 5 minutes and write the importance of MS Word in comments. And also you have any type of question in previous topic, so you can ask me in comments also. So we are going to start another topic, that is spreadsheet or MS Excel, the another package of MS Office. The objective of this topic is you will understand about the spreadsheet, that what is mean by spreadsheet, why we use spreadsheet. Another objective is uses of spreadsheet, why we use spreadsheet, use of different calculation in MS Excel, how you will calculate different arithmetic operation you will apply on MS Excel, filling column and rows, what is mean by columns and rows, later I will explain you. Here you will also learn about the paste special command whenever you copy something, so how you will paste it by special commands. We will also work with function and formulas, working with function and formulas here in MS Excel. In the last you will learn about the graphical data representation in MS Excel in spreadsheet. So now what is mean by spreadsheet? Spreadsheet is another package of MS Office which is used for storing data, calculation and presenting numerical data in easy understandable format. It is used in different organizations for the purpose of storing their data in proper way, and also they use for different complex calculation spreadsheet. The next we have in spreadsheet we have rows and columns, and these rows and columns are in sheet. By default we have 3 sheet in MS Excel, so these sheet consist on rows and columns. The number of rows and columns are, in single spreadsheet we have 1,48,576 rows and 16,384 columns. We will work on these rows and columns. Now how you will open MS Excel, let me show. If you didn't install MS Office still, so I will share the link, from here you will download and install MS Excel. So after installation you have to write here Excel. I have 2016 MS Excel. Just click on open, click on blank workbook. So this is the interface of MS Excel. By default the name of this is book 1 Excel. When I will go and save this document, so I will give a name, so this name will be changed that time. So here we have groups, home, insert, page layout, formulas, datas, review, view. As we studied in MS Word also, that we have groups of different formats. So these are the groups now, ribbons. This is quick access toolbar. From here you can add many more also. This is the spreadsheet. Now we have different rows and columns. Rows is identified by numeric number and column is identified by alphabetic number. This is sheet number 1. You can add many more sheet from here also. If you need another sheet here in this workbook, so you can add. So first I have to work on sheet number 1. You can also change the name of this sheet. This is the zoom option. From here you can zoom your spreadsheet. Okay, identify a cell. What is mean by identifying a cell? Active cell. Whenever you click in spreadsheet, so in a cell, so this cell become an active cell. It will show that what is the number of this cell. C is showing the column and 4 is show the row. This is called active cell. This is a formula bar. We will have different type of formula we will apply in a spreadsheet. So we will work here and we will write all the formula here. Okay, filling columns and rows. By default we have a number of series built-in list here. Also, let's suppose if you want to fill this column, so you can fill it. Then you have to select the 2 number and drag it. So this is called filled series. This is going to be filled in a series and also in ascending order. We have also the days and month built-in list in MS Excel. Let me try it. You have to write a Monday, then drag this on. Look here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. If you want to write a complete name of a day, so we have also a complete list of Monday. Look here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Same we have a month list also, JAN, January. So if you want to drag in horizontal, so you can also drag it horizontal. January, February, March, April, up to so on. Same we have a built-in list of complete month name also. Drag from here. Okay, in this class you learn about the MS Excel spreadsheet. So we work on rows and columns. In next class we will discuss about the relative cell addressing and absolute cell addressing. So if you have any type of question, so you can ask me in group also and also in a comment box. So thanks for watching.